Hello everyone. So we are done with the virtualization part. So now let's look at cloud computing applications. So cloud computing applications means where and all you can use this cloud computing. Okay. Cloud service providers provide various applications in the field of art, business, data storage and backup services, education, entertainment, management, social networking, etc. So the most widely used cloud computing are, you can use it in the section of art, business, data storage and backup, education, entertainment and management and social. These all are the cloud computing applications. So apart from this, you can use it in private cloud, hybrid cloud, test and development, and you can use it in the sector of big data, and you can use it in file storage, you can use it in backup purpose, you can use it as a disaster purpose. All these are applications, right? So you can even use it in the sector of infrastructure as a service, software as a service, all these things. Okay, so we will see each in detail. So the first one is art applications. Cloud computing offers various art applications for quickly and easily design attractive cards, booklets and images. Some most commonly used cloud art applications are given below. So in art sector, what you are going to use? You are going to use this cloud applications to design an attractive cards or some booklets and some attractive images. Okay, with the help of cloud application, you are going to design all this. The first one is Moo. Moo is one of the best cloud art application. You can download these applications as well. You can, if your people are interested, just download and try it. Just play with these applications. Okay, so it is used for designing and printing some cards, business cards or mini cards, those kind of cards, right? Small cards like birthday invitation card or a marriage friends card and all, you say, right? For marriage invitations and all that you can design with the help of Moo application. Vistaprint allows us to easily design various printed marketing products such as business cards, postcards, booklets, wedding invitations, cards. So with Vistaprint you can create business cards or postcards, wedding invitations cards and all. The third one is Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is made for designers, artists, filmmakers and other creative professionals. It is a suite of applications which includes Photoshop, image editing, programming, Illustrator, InDesign, Typekit, Dreamweaver, XD and Auditions and all. So with the help of Adobe Creative Cloud, you can use this cloud application in the form of Photoshop, some image editing, video editing, all this. In all these sectors you can use the cloud. So when it comes to business applications are based on cloud services providers. Today every organization requires the cloud business application to grow their business. It also ensures that business applications are 24/7 available to the user. So now if your business is increasing, it is all because of your cloud, because the cloud is providing such a huge services, such huge solutions, so that your business will become easier to handle, right? So some business applications is MailChimp. MailChimp is an email publishing platform which provides various options to design, send and save templates for email. So with the help of MailChimp you can design, you can send or save templates for the emails. So the next one is Salesforce. Salesforce platform provides tools for sales, servicing, marketing or commerce and more. It provides a cloud development platform. Okay, Salesforce is all about your selling, your servicing or your marketing, or your e-commercing, all about. Okay, so Chatter helps us to share important information about the organization in real time. So Chatter is going to share the important information. Okay, it is going to share the important information. So the next one is Bitrix24. Bitrix24 is a collaboration platform which provides communication management and social collaboration tools. Okay, it is going to provide all these communication tool, management tool and collaboration tool. PayPal PayPal offers the simplest and easiest online payment mode using secure internet accounts. So PayPal accepts the payment through the debit cards, credit cards, or also from the PayPal account holder. So whenever PayPal is nothing but it is all about your transaction, your online transaction. Okay, so you can do the transaction with your debit card, credit cards, or if you are a PayPal account holder, you can do the money transfer. Okay, then Slack stands for searchable log of all conversation and knowledge. Slack is all about searchable log of conversation and knowledge. This provides user-friendly interface, okay, to the public and private channels for communication. QuickBooks works on terminology, run enterprise anytime, anywhere, and on any device. It provides online accounting solution for the business. It allows more than 20 users to work simultaneously on the system. So this enterprise, you can use it at any time, at anywhere, on any device. Okay. So 20 users can work on this QuickBooks simultaneously on the same system. Okay. So the third sector is data storage and data backup application. So you can use this cloud computing in the field of backing up the application, that is your data storage or backup applications. Okay, so some of the data backup applications are Mozy provides powerful online backup solution for your personal and business data. It schedules automatically backup for the data each day at a specific time. So Mozy is one of the best backup application for your business and personal data. So no need of you scheduling Mozy application. It will automatically get set up at particular time on everyday basis. Okay. So the second one is Box.com. Box provides an online environment for secure content management, workflow, and collaboration. It allows us to use or store different files such as Excel, Word, PDF, and images on the cloud. So with the help of Box.com, you can store your PDF, Excel, Word in the cloud. Okay. Zoku provides the simplest way to share the track cloud-based backup files. Zoku is basically for tracking up your cloud-based backup files. Okay. Google G Suite is one of the best cloud storage and backup application. It includes Google Calendar, Docs, Forms, Google Plus, Hangouts as well as. So Google G Suite is the best cloud storage backup application. So it has, along with the backup, it has other functions as well. You can have Google Calendar with you, documents with you, Google Forms, contacts, Hangouts, classrooms, all. So when it comes to education applications, we have used this cloud applications as well. Cloud computing in the education sector becomes very popular. It offers various online distance learning platforms and student information portals to the students. The advantage of using cloud in the field of education is that it offers strong virtual classrooms environments, ease of accessibility, secure data storage, scalability, greater reach for the students, and minimal hardware requirements for the application. So Google App for Education is one of the cloud application we are using in education application. So now also whenever we are taking online classes for you guys, we are using Google G Suite itself. So it will have direct Google Meeting links, and you can create your own classrooms, you can add your own calendars, you can add your students, or you can add your friends contacts as well. So Chromebooks for Education. Chromebooks for Education is one of the most important Google's project. It is designed for the purpose of enhanced education innovation. Tablets with Google Pay for Education. It will allow the educator to quickly implement the latest technology solutions into classroom and make it available to other students. So whatever new technologies are there, you can add these technologies using this tablet Google's Pay for Education and make it available to rest of the students. Okay. AWS in education. So AWS in education has become more popular. All the universities, colleges, schools, all are using AWS education services. So when it comes to entertainment application, entertainment industries use multi-cloud strategy to interact with large audience. Cloud computing offers various entertainment applications such as online game, video conferencing. So entertainment application is all about your online video games or online conferences, video conferences and all. Online games, so for example PUBG and all, right? You can play it as you are going to play online, right? So you are taking the help of internet and you are playing. So similarly rest other games as well. Video conferencing, where you will it's nothing but where you are having video chat with your friends or with your family. So these are the entertainment application where cloud computing is playing vital role. So management application, cloud computing offers various cloud management tools as well. That is your management applications are nothing but Toggle. Toggle helps user to track the particular project. Okay, it will allow user to track the particular project. So these all come under management application. The management applications providing various applications. Okay, so Toggle is one of management application. Evernote will allow you to sync and save your recorded notes or contacts or email IDs to your phone. So it will use platforms like Windows, Mac operating system, Android, iOS, browser, Unix, all etc. Okay. Outright, it is used to manage the user for the purpose of accounts. Okay. Outright is basically used for the users, so that you can manage the user's account. Okay. So that you can manage users income, expenses, profits and losses, all these things. GoToMeeting is nothing but it is a application where you can schedule the meeting with other people, where you can have meeting chat, where you can have the conferences through this application. Okay. Social applications are nothing but your Facebook, Twitter, Yammer, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, all are this. Okay. Facebook, where you will connect with a number of people, where you can exchange your chats, images, videos, all these things. Twitter is similarly, again you are going to tweet something, you are going to follow somebody, or you will be followed by somebody else. You can follow the celebrities, you can follow your friends, relatives. Okay. So in Yammer, it is nothing but again it is for basically Yammer is used for employees. Okay, so where they can chat, they can exchange images, they can exchange documents and videos. LinkedIn, so all are familiar with LinkedIn. It is one of the most used social network for students, freshers, professionals. Okay, so this completes your cloud computing application. So we have seen n number of cloud computing applications. Thank you.